guys, Andy here, and I'm here to bring you all things mundane makeup related. If that's your vibe, I'd love it if you'd subscribe, be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, we are doing the deck of panning update for November. So if you want to see the progress we've made and the roll-ins and rollouts that we will be doing, then let's go ahead and just get on into it. So if you don't know what this project is, where have you been on the YouTube space for project panning? It's created by Emily and Max. You use a deck of cards to pick your prompts from a game board that gets shuffled monthly. It goes from January 20th to December 20th, and you start with 5 prompts. It's rolling style. The face cards stay the same all year long, and that is really the gist of it. We'll get more into it as we go along. So let me grab what we've been working on. So I'm currently working on 6 prompts because I did have a pickup 2 last month. So let me show you what I am working on. So for tourist, which was to use something from a foreign brand or from a brand from a country that you'd like to visit or you have visited from another country. So I picked my Glaminatrix Pretty in Pastels. This is an Australian brand and I am in the US, so they are foreign to moi. And this is what it looks like, and it was the 10 of hearts, so I have a 10 use gold, so just 10 uses, 10 looks with this palette. It is what is on my eyes today, and I have gotten 3 looks out of it. So we're at 3 out of 10. I'm gonna really have to chug along between now and the finale to get those last few uses, but I think I can do it. It is a really pretty palette. I need to just reach into this for like 1 or 2 shades to call it good. But 3 out of 10 looks for my Glaminatrix Pretty in Pastels. Next, we had the 10 of Spades, which was chopping block. And so I brought in this lipstick. It was a chopping block item for me because of the shade, because it's just a shade that I own and it's literally my lip color, but it is a really nice formula. It's the Appeal lipstick in Exposed, which looks like this. It is really pretty. I've been wearing it quite a bit. I have a 10 use goal and I've used it 6 out of 10 times. So I do like it. I do. It's a really nice formula. It's soft and buttery and it's pretty. So, and I just think the packaging is really pretty. I'm not gonna lie. So I'm a sucker for some pretty packaging. So I'm at 6 out of 10 uses. I will definitely be able to get that goal met for the finale, but it is not rolling out today. Then I had the 5 of Clubs, which is brand you own the most from, which is Jeffree Star is one of the brands I own the most from. And so I picked the Supreme Gloss in Frosting for Dinner. And I had a 5 use goal and I've used it once. Listen, this kind of color is not something I can wear every day. So again, I'm gonna really have to power through and do a bunch of purple leaning looks in the next month. I mean, not a bunch, I have to do 4 more. So get that going. But 1 out of 5 uses. Then we have my super big fail for the month. We have the Ace of Diamonds, which was my pickup 2. And so then I got the 4 of Hearts, which was this time last year. And one of the items that I got this time last year was this ColourPop single shadow in On a Whimsy. So I only have to use this 4 times, and I haven't even used it once. Not once. Probably could have used it in this look for my inner corner instead of going warm toned, but nope. Haven't used it once. So 4 uses. This is rolling over. 'tis what it is. Then for my second card for pickup 2, I had the Queen of Clubs, which was pick your own space. So I picked the gifted space, and I got the P. Louise primer, and that was in the 7 of diamonds. So I had a 7-use goal on this. This is the Play It Cool primer, and I used it all 7 times, and I met my goal on the 5th of November. So this is a goal met and a rollout, but I can't roll out that whole prompt because I don't have the ColourPop on a Whimsy rolled out, which is what I just realized. I totally forgot that that was a pickup 2. So I'm not rolling any out this update, which I guess works because we only have 1 more month and I'm working on some harder prompts. So this is technically a rollout, but I can't really roll anything in for it because it's part of the pickup 2. So yes, I could cheat and roll something else in because it's the most fun part, but I'm gonna stay true to the game and I'm not gonna roll anything else in. The last item we were working on last month, I did go ahead and get the Joker prompt. And so I'm working on my Scooby-Doo and Glam Light highlighter, and I want to hit pan in both of these. And I'm hoping you can see, I have a much bigger dip in this top shade than in the bottom one. I don't know how deep these go. I don't know if they go all the way to the bottom, but I'm hoping you can see I have really big dips, or at least I have a big dip in this shade. I have a less dip, but I still have a dip in this one. I have used it a total of 9 times. So we're working on it. I'm just gonna keep plugging away till the end of the project and get as close as I can to hitting pan. Obviously the goal is to hit pan, but I'm gonna get as close as I can between now and the finale. So just to recap, so we're still working on my Joker product. We're still working on the single shadow, the gloss, and the lipstick, which I both think those are doable. This is definitely doable. The Joker is the Joker. And then my palette, which I don't know if I'll be able to get all 10 uses on this palette, but I'm going to get really close if I don't. I'm going to try my hardest to get all 10 uses on the palette, but I'm going to keep plugging away at it regardless. But I'm really sad I don't get to roll anything in this update. I thought I was going to. Darn it. Well, that is the kind of, what's the word I'm looking for? Less than exciting, because I can't think of the word, update. But I hope you guys enjoyed nevertheless. We have 1 last month. I will see you for this project in the finale next month, but I'll see you in the next one for everything else. So, bye guys.